Hi guys, today I will show you how to remove or hide ads in Google Chrome using AdBlock. So if your favorite browser is Chrome and you are visiting any website, probably you will find many different ads on the sites which are actually annoying. So let's change that. Let's open new tab and go to top right corner Chrome menu. You will find there more tools, and let's jump into extensions. Now let's go to left side menu, and on the bottom you will find Chrome Web Store link. Let's click on that, and now we are in Web Store with extensions. So let's look for AdBlock. In results we get 3 ad blockers. None of these are my favorite, so let's click on more extensions, and this one with hand inside, it's tested by me, so let's go to this and add to Chrome. You need to approve that pop-up and it will automatically install, and in a few seconds it's ready to block the ads. You can do the refund or just close that tab. Now you will find the icon of puzzle, which means extensions, and here you will see the ad blocker is installed. So let's back into any website, and you will find the ad blocker blocked actually one ad. Let's speed into the Chrome bar, and it will be still visible how many ads it blocks. For this website, almost 20, and I'm not allowing. So let's close that, and you will see some blank areas which were before ads. Hopefully that helps you, and thanks for watching.